Welcome. We have Mathematics Paper 2, 2019. The first one says simplify 6x squared minus 24 over x minus 2. Okay, so we need to begin. We need to begin to simplify. So mostly what I encourage is expand the terms, So we have 6 multiplied by x minus 24 over x minus 2. Okay, so x divided by x, it will give you 1. 2 divided by 24, it will give you 12. So meaning what you are remaining with is x 6x minus 12. If you want, you can leave it here. If you don't want, you can factorize it. You can factorize. Pick the highest number which is divisible by the two terms. So that number is 6. 6 divided by 6x, it will give you x. 6 divided by negative 12, it will give you negative 2. So from there, you have simplified. We come to the second, which is B. It says given the geometric progression 4, 8, 16. Find number 1, the geometric mean of 256 and 1024. So the geometric mean, we're going to use a formula. We're going to use it from this one. We're going to try it from this one. The geometric progressions that have been given. So let's find, for instance, we need to find the geometric mean of B, which is 6. So that will be B is equals to the square root of, let's make this one A and this one B, this one C. We make it C. So that will be A multiplied by C, meaning we are going to have B, the square root of 4 multiplied by 16. So that will be B is equals to the square root of 64, meaning the value of B will be 8. So this is the same formula that we are going to involve. This is the formula that we're going to involve. So therefore, we are going to find the mean, the geometric mean, which is equals to the square root of 256 multiplied by 1024. Okay, so this one you can use a calculator. You can use a calculator to find this number. So that will be 262,144. That will be that number. Square root it, you'll find the answer 512. So meaning that is our geometric mean. That is our geometric mean. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, we need to find the 11th term. So the 11th term has got the formula nth term is equals to first term ratio to the power n minus 1. So according to data, what we have is the nth term, which is the 11th term. The first term we have is 4. The first term we have is 4. So this is our first term 4. This is our first term 4. So the first term is 4, and then what we need to find is the ratio. So the ratio can be found by dividing the second ratio and the first ratio. So that is 8 divided by 4, we have 2. So ratio is 2. Okay, let's now substitute. So we have the 11th term is equals to the first term ratio, we can put it in brackets, to the power 11th term minus 1. So from there we have 11th term is equals to 4 in brackets 2, 11 minus 1, that is 10. So 2 to the power 10 means we are multiplying 2 we are multiplying 2 10 times. So means 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 until 10 times. So we are going to have 2 multiplied by that one will give us 1000. It will give us 1024. That's what we are going to have. Therefore, the 11th term will be 4096. 4096. That will be our 11th term. We go to the third one. Find the sum of the first 11 terms. So we're going to find the sum of the first 11 terms. So the sum has got a formula, that is sum of terms, first term in brackets, we have ratio to the power n minus 1 over ratio minus 1. That is the term, that is the formula for the sum. So we're going to find the first 11 terms. So we have sum of the first 11 terms is equals to, the first term is 4, ratio we found 2 to the power 11 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 as our ratio. So sum of 11th term 4 2 to the power 11. 2 to the power 11 will give us 2048 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So if you divide 1 into the number on top, will give you that number on top. So therefore, sum of the 11th term is equals to, sum of the 11th term is equals to 4. 2048 minus 1 will give you 2047. So the sum of the 11th term is equals to 4 multiplied by 2047 will give you 8188. So this is our answer. Thank you. You can go through those questions.